What does the 2024 Ford Maverick instrument cluster system offer? The 2024 Maverick features a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time vehicle information, customizable displays, and essential alerts for a more intuitive driving experience. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system. Electric park brake warning lamp. Blind spot monitor. Low washer fluid. Door ajar warning lamp. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Engine oil pressure warning lamp. Engine warning lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. Fasten rear seatbelt. Battery. Hood ajar. Low beam warning. Low fuel level warning lamp. Brake system. Powertrain warning lamp. High voltage electric system failure. Stability and traction control. Tire pressure monitoring system. Warning lamp, adaptive cruise control indicator. Auto start-stop indicators. High beam. Automatic high beam control on indicator. Cruise control indicator. Auto hold. Direction indicator. Lamps on indicator. Ready to direct indicator. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.